Hey creators, welcome back to yxxser. Today we're diving into a topic many of you have asked about: how to create awesome content without putting your face on camera and get more views. So let's jump into some cool ideas. Voiceovers. First up, leverage the power of your voice. Head over to 11labs.io where you can create amazing voiceovers for your videos. Click on the first site. Click here to sign up. Simply upload your script. Choose your preferred voice. There is a lot of voices. Here you can edit your voice. Write something about your script, like, "Hello, how are you?" Click Generate, and voila! Hello, how are you? Upload this video to Premiere Pro. Hello, how are you? Hello, how are you? Prepared video. Now when we uploaded the voice or we want some videos, go to search, write pixels. Click on the first site. Choose videos. And write your video topic, for example, motivation. And here we have a lot of videos. Choose what you like this video. Click free download. I upload this video in Premiere Pro. Now I will modify it a little.
A few moments later.
Hey, I'm yxxser. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tips, and leave a comment with your favorite method. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.